Hi, and welcome to the tutorial video of the NK Orbita iPad case. Place your iPad flat into the shell. Fit the silicone base around the shell, making sure all corners are correctly inserted. Finally, place the screen protector on top, pressing down with your fingers around the edges. You will hear it snap into place as you secure it. The Orbita protects your iPad with double reinforced silicone corners. The ultra-raised silicone edges on each corner will help prevent cracked screens. You have very easy access to all of the ports, including a flap that covers the earphone jack, and a well-designed stylus holder to make it easy to insert your Apple Pencil. The kickstand is hidden underneath the rotational hand strap. It is designed to rotate smoothly to landscape and portrait mode viewing. The Velcro hand strap can easily be adjusted to fit all size hands, while the 360-degree rotation of the hand strap allows you to securely hold your iPad. Also, your Orbita can have your company or school logo sewn onto the Velcro strap. Lay your iPad face down and use one finger to release the kickstand. Turn it over and stand it up in viewing mode, or simply turn it over to use in typing mode. The Orbita has been rigorously tested and complies with military drop test standards. The internal honeycomb design of the shell guarantees added shock absorption, so your iPad will be safe from accidental drops and unintended mishaps. And don't forget, all our cases always come with free custom logo embossing, a 10-year warranty, and free shipping.